Again I will repeat, every day evening after 4:30 till next day morning 4:30 am, we are having the chances that you can go to the tools and go to one click filter and download the PWL and PWG as indicated, and then we'll make the list of PWL and PWG. After making PWL and PWG zero setting and removing the stocks below 50 rupees, then you will arrange them in the alphabetical order, then transfer this one to the Excel sheet, and that you will put a suffix called close, saying that one, these are all the list of the data PWL and PWG yesterday after the market is over. Right? Then next day between 9:50 to 10 o'clock, what you will do, you will load the same PWL and PWG into the market watch, reset again the zeros and arrange them in the alphabetical order, and between 9:50 to 10 o'clock, for in the 10 minutes any particular time, you transfer this once again to the Excel sheet. So that is a live data. So we are having the two PWLs, one is having the closed data after the market is closed on previous day, and the same list with the live data between 9:50 to 10 o'clock, same as this in the PWG also. We are developing a relation between these two PWLs and PWGs and trying to find out the stocks which are going to be taken for trading today. Now based on that, today I have sent this one to Excel sheet. This is close 31st PWL and this is 31st PWG, that is a closed data. One by one I will open it. First I will open PWG, and then the same PWG today on 1st of January at 9:56 I have transferred this one to the Excel sheet. This is a live data. Right? Now I have already done the calculation. I will do it once again. I will remove all these things. Okay, now we are having same 31st PWG taken on the 1st of January at 9:56. That is called live data. Tomorrow when you are doing this one, these machine data are there. These machine data shall not be removed. You should not put this one as a live here or the date of time and everything. You do not put. By automatically it is coming everything. Just save it as it is, how it comes there. Okay. Now first thing what you'll have to do, you'll have to arrange them in a alphabetical order. It's already there in the alphabetical order. Once again ensure that one, by any chance one or two stocks gone here and there, so once again you put this one in the alphabetical order. Check the total number of stocks. There are 73 numbers are there in the live data. Go to this, and then here also check, put them in the the alphabetical order, then check the total number of stocks. Same 73 is there. So alphabetically it is arranged, and then total number of stocks are matching. Right. Now come to the OI difference here. You write here OI difference close here. This is the yesterday's open interest difference. Then here this is 9:55. Today at 9:55 when it was transferred, these are all the open interest built up by the particular stocks. The list of the stocks same, only data is different. These data are live data, other Excel is giving the data of the closed data. Now what you will have to do, you will have to select O and P, then select that and right click here and insert. Two empty columns have been introduced in the live market data. I again repeat, two empty columns have been formed in the live market data, not in the closed market data. You will have to create two empty columns in the live market data. Then after this, go to the closed data, yesterday's closed data. It is already arranged in alphabetical order. This OI data, whatever it is there, this you copy here and bring it here and paste it in the first empty column which you have introduced. Now in the live market Excel sheet, you are having yesterday's open interest close as well as today's 9:55 when you are transferred this one to the Excel, that whatever the live data is there, that is there. So open interest of closed data versus live data is available with you. You are having a pen and paper, means take out a pen and paper, and then I will tell something that you please make a note of it. Write open interest calculation. Hello? Yeah. Now in this session you please be available to me, so that whatever I am telling, so you will have to write down, otherwise I will not be knowing whether you are listening or not. That's why this 10 minutes only you will be available with me. Okay, now OI calculation PWG, you write OI calculation PWG.
Yeah.
Right, under that one first formula you write down equals
Yeah.
OI difference close. OI difference close, is it less than, there is a less than symbol is there in the keyboard, like that you less than symbol you write, is less than OI difference 955. That I am going to put here, just see here, equals OI difference close, is it less than OI difference 955, enter. It is a logical expression, hence it gives in the true or the false. So copy this one here. So all the things gets copied here. Some are trues, some are false are there, but all these trues and false are scattered one over the other. I wanted all trues to be at one side and false to be other one side. So what I will do, I will use this down menu and then I will arrange this one in an sorting out this one in an ascending order, so that all false will be there together followed by the trues. Okay, now whatever the open interest calculations I will have to do, I have already done. Open interest alone shall not be seen. What do you mean by open interest? First I will tell. If there is a A is there who is selling 100 numbers of share, B is a person who buys all that 100 from A, then what is the open interest? 0. 1 minus 1, 0. There is no interest. One fellow thought that one it is oversold, that's why he is selling it. One fellow thought that one this is under-owned, that's why he buys it. So who is having the interest? Nobody is having the interest. Both the interests are same, so they gets cancelled with each other. So open interest is 0. Now one A will open with 100. B and C will buy 50-50 from the A. Second case. Instead of one fellow buying 100, B and C will buy 50-50, 70-30, 60-40, whatever may be the combination. They will buy put together 100 from the A. Now as usual, one buyer, one seller gets cancelled, but one more buyer outstanding is there. That means what is the open interest? 1. The one fellow is showing more interest on the buying side, whereas selling side only one fellow was there. According to him, one more buyer was there, so they got cancelled. So one more additional fellow was there who was showing more interest in buying side. So what is the open interest? Number 1. If it is in the plus side, if it is in the going long, if it is a buying side, it is considered as a plus 1. Like that, if there are 1.5 lakhs people are selling, 1 lakh people are selling, 1.5 lakhs people are buying, means 1 lakh will get cancelled and the 50,000 numbers will become outstanding open interest. That means the people more are there towards the buying side. That is called open interest. This is only theory. If you cannot understand also, nothing is going to wrong. It is only mathematical expression. That you understand it sufficient. Now alone open interest shall not be seen always. It should be seen always along with the percentage change. So now whatever the calculations I have to do under the open interest, that I have done. Now other part I have to take into consideration. So the number 1 percentage I will take it, and then I will select all the false stocks under one roof. Now up to here false are there, so those all false I will club it. So I will color that one with the red. So all red are false stocks, all black and whites are true stocks. Now in this false stocks, red stocks, I will right click in between, sort it out, and then ascending order it will be arranged. Under PWG, write down again, in PWG select only, in PWG select only negative priced percentage price stocks, negative percentage price stocks. That means you will have to select only bearish stocks. So all negative stocks are there, that only I will consider it. Even zeros also I will include it, because zeros are plus, neither plus nor minus. So up to here I will select it, and then I will select the yellow color. That means now all these red colors are of no use to me. I am not going to see any of these ticks. Totally there are 52 numbers of stocks are there. Around 26 numbers, half of it has been censored, and these stocks are of null and void for me. I am not going to search any stocks in this list. I am going to search any shorting stocks which are available in this list only. So half of it got cleared. Now same exercise you please do it in the percentage change in the trues columns also. Select from the percentage change and then cover all the true stocks here, right click here and then sort it out. Again here negative stocks has to be identified. Up to here negative stocks are there. I will color them with the red. Then I will sort it out. Everything is been sorted out now. So all negatives are here under false, all negatives of trues are there. These trues which are having the positive percentage change, I am not going to see anything here. These negative stocks only are going to create a are going to give me the particular stock in which I can go for shorting. Now second formula I write down, madam. There are three formulas are there. Three formulas will give you three different strategies. Now open close, you write down. Second formula, open versus close, you write down.
Yeah.
Below that you write the formula equals double bracket open minus close bracket close multiplied by divided by close, divided by close, one more bracket close multiplied by 100. Again I will repeat, equals double bracket open minus close, one bracket close, divided by close, one more bracket close multiplied by 100. If you have selected this as a number, you have to multiply with the 100. If you have selected this one with the percentage, then you need not have to multiply with the 100. If you have selected this one as a by number itself, then you will have to multiply this expression by 100. So now the same thing I am going to put here. I will clear this. I will write here open close. I will apply equals double bracket open. Here go to the open column. There is a open column is there. That price, at what price today that particular stock has opened, that will be registered here. Open minus close. Yesterday at what price the stock had closed. One bracket close divided by close. One more bracket close multiplied by 100. So I will get it in terms of percentage. So now go to the end, double click here. All the cells will get copied. Now since I am supposed to select the stocks which are there in the yellow color, what I will do is I will select the open close because I wanted to sort it through open close column. That's why what I will do, I'll first cell of the open close in the yellow colored band, I will select it. I will cover the entire yellow color here and then I will go complete the full yellow stocks here. Right click here, again ascending order, I will sort it out. Now below this particular formula, you write down select maximum negative open close stocks. Select maximum negative open close stocks. That means write down select maximum negative open close stocks. Okay, then here minus 0.51 is a maximum negative stocks. Instead of selecting the 1, what you do here, whatever the percentage you get it here, up to 50 percentage you select. If it is 0.5, then up to 0.25 is its 50 percentage, no? That is why I will select up to 50 percentage of whatever the maximum negative stocks are there. Some days you may get 1 percentage here. 1 percentage means up to 0.5 percentage you will have to select. So here since it is a minus 0.5, I took it up to my minus 0.25. So I will color them with the yellow. Then I am getting one of the stocks which can be shorted within these three. Then second condition, select stocks between 0 to plus or minus 0.15. Select stocks between 0 to plus or minus 0.15 in open close. This is a second criteria.
0 to plus or minus 0.5, right?
0.15 15
Okay.
0.15 plus or minus 0.15.
Yeah.
So here you see minus 0.15 is there, up to here, down up to 12, because after that it becomes 0.18. So you will select these many stocks. So these yellows are of no use to me. only these blue and these blues are going to be the stocks in which I have selected the stocks today. So in this one I am going to select I will put this one in the selling chart. Whichever the stocks gets qualified in the selling chart as per its norms, then that stock I am going to take up for the shorting. Same way do it here in this yellow patch also. This is coming under true. What you did was in the false. Now what you are going to do again here is under true. Now open close again you will select, and then you will select all yellow colored stocks. Right click here and then sort it out from smallest to largest. As per the norms, highest open interest has to highest negative percentage has to be selected in open close. Minus 0.29 means 0.3 I will take it. Minus 0.3 means up to 0.15 I will select here. So this is oil and Tata Global is over. Then 0 to plus or minus 0.15. Here to here I will select. So these are all the blue stocks. So these yellow stocks are of no use to me. I am not going to select anything. So at present what I am having, this set of blues under the false and this set of the blue from the true are the stocks in which I have to find out which particular stock matches my shorting chart template. Save this. Okay madam, any doubts in this one?
When I start using it, I'll have questions.
Okay, no problem. I will be there to clear your doubts as long as I am in this world. So no, don't worry. Now, as on now, there is no complications here. Very simple. What I have done is this yesterday's open interest details. I copied it and brought it here, and I inserted that one in the live market. Then after that, I applied one expression between yesterday's open interest, is it less than the today's open interest. It gave false as well as trues. Then I segregated all false in one category and trues in the second category. Then whatever the work I am supposed to do, that has been already done as far as open interest is concerned. Alone open interest should not be considered for any selection of the stocks. It has to be seen along with the percentage of change. So what I did is I selected the percentage of change, and in that one up to what all the negative stocks are there, that is bearish stocks are there in this particular false, that I considered it, I colored it in yellow color. Then up to here from second item to the 26th item, all were negative percentage price. These are all the bearish stocks at 955. So I have selected the bearish stocks. I have not selected any of the positive stocks, because from PWG you are selecting only the stocks for shorting. That's why which are already there in the negative mode or in the bearish mode, those things only I selected it. Then after that what I did, I applied a formula open close. That is whatever the values are there between open versus close, that I made a formula. What is that formula? Equals double bracket open minus close single bracket divided by close one more bracket close multiplied by 100. I applied the formula here. So if I applied the formula, it is an expression between the open and the close. I got it. So whatever the data I got there, I got it copied for the entire cells here up to the 73. Now since I have copied these yellow colored stocks here, I took the first cell of the open close, because I wanted to sort the open close column. First I selected from the open close columns and then completely covered the all yellow stocks, and then right clicked here and sorted out. When I sorted out, I had two conditions to meet with. What is that first condition? You will have to select the maximum negative open close stocks. You will have to select. Maximum negative was minus 0.51. I took the half of it, that is why 0.27, 0.25. All these three stocks I colored in blue. Then once again the second condition was 0 to plus or minus 0.15 stocks under the open close has to be selected. I selected this and then colored it in blue color. When went to the true side, did the same thing. In that one, the maximum negative was minus 29 and half of it is 0.15. So I have selected these two stocks. Then 0 to plus or minus 0.15, I selected these four stocks. So these yellow colored stocks are of no use to me, null and void. So I have to find out through the chart any stocks of these blues will get qualified in our charting template. Okay, madam?
Yes, sir.
Then we will go here.
So you will be sharing the sheet with me?
Yeah, I will be sharing this particular sheet and 2-3 weeks Excel sheets also I can share it with you. But today whatever you are going to do, that has to be transferred to the Excel sheet tomorrow. Today after the session is over, download the one click filter and make a one PWL and PWG, and whatever it is taught in the first session you make it, that you send it to Excel sheet. Then the same thing has to be sent to the Excel sheet tomorrow at 9:50, and whatever today I am teaching you, the same exercise you will have to do after transferring this one to the Excel sheets and doing these calculations. Now you are seeing my screen, madam?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. So what I will do, whatever the blue stocks were there here, that and all I will copy this one under the PWG. Now Apollo Hospital, NCC Kotak, NCC Kotak, NIT Tech M&M, NIT Tech M&M, DV Slab Kolpal, DV Slab, UBL Eicher Motor, UBL UPL and Eicher Motor, ITC ONGC, ITC ONGC, Maruti Coal India, Nestle HCL Tech, Escorts PFC, and Ashok Leyland. Yesterday I have sent the day before yesterday's video. Did you download this one, madam?
No, sir, I have not yet done that.
No, you will have to download it. Otherwise, today's video I cannot download because I don't have space. Already 10 GB is over. Today I think it may go to one more 5 GB.
I'll do it today, sir. As soon as it reaches the call, I'll do it.
Yeah, today night I will put this one in the Google Drive. By the time you please download that one in the night. Put that one in the night. Next day morning it will get downloaded. If your speed is good, what is your speed, madam?
Speed is good is what it says. I don't know the speed, how much.
If it is 10 Mbps, it will take some 2 hours. If it is 2 Mbps or 4 Mbps, whole night it will take. If it is 100 Mbps, 10 minutes it will take. Okay.
I'm not sure, sir. To check that, yeah.
You please check that one. And but download that one immediately. Otherwise, I cannot put this video into the Google Drive.
Okay, I'll do it. As soon as I'll download it, I'll message you, sir. As soon as it's complete.
Yeah. Tata Global, Equitas Castrol, and then Torrent Power and PVR, Torrent Power. Okay, these four blues and these blues have been entered here. I will load this one. I will copy this and I'll put that one in the market watch, separate market watch. So these are all the list of the stocks which have been shortlisted from the 73 numbers. Around 25 numbers have been identified because today more number of stocks have come here because of no proper trades are going on from the past 2-3 days. That's why number of stocks becoming more. Doesn't matter, any number of even 25 more if it comes also, don't feel afraid of it. Only those stocks which are going to be qualified by our chart, that only you will have to take it for trading. Now you will put this one in the heat map. Okay, now this is a heat map. Now this is a PWG Excel sheet you have done. This is PWG. Under PWG you will have to select only shorting stocks, and that too today market was hardly moving between plus 15 to minus 15, like that it was moving. So you will have to select only the negative stocks. So do not do anything in the green stocks here. Start from here. This is what I was telling in the morning. Some of my people, they select the stocks here. That is very bad. When these are all the stocks are there, why you are selecting the stocks? Even though it will qualify in the stock in the chart, it will not get performed properly because it will change its direction. Because here see the amount of volume is 0.35, 0.51 is there. Your brokerage itself will be more than this one. Why do you want to trade in these stocks? So first stock it is Escorts. First stock is Escorts. I will open a chart here. I will put this sell chart. This is a selling chart. Here yesterday in your chart I have put the PSCR and all I had put now. Red dots are going to come like that I had indicated. I will at the end I will put it. I will go to your computer and I will see.
Okay.
And then here I will add one more super trend, 5 into 2.15. I will color this because in your case it is there, that's why I am putting this, right madam? Now conditions for the shorts, I have selected the most red. You also please select the most red. If you don't get within this 3, 4, 5, never go here. The one which you could not get it here, you will never get it here. Even if you get it, it is a fake one. You are going to lose the money if you trade in them. Never ever go to the pale red or pale green. Whenever you are buying, never go to the pale green. Whenever you are selling, never go to the pale red. You select only in the first 3, 4. There only it has to come. If it is not coming, then that's it. On that day, no need to go for trading. Now it will come usually around 20 days in a month. It will come. There will not be any problem in that. Escorts, the most red color one, it is there. I have come open the chart of that. Now what is selling criteria? The super trend, this golden color and the blue color is there. No, these are all the two super trends. Super trends will be the below the candle and it will go above the candle between yesterday 2:30 to today 10 o'clock or 10:30. Now what time it has gone? It has gone at 3 o'clock 5 minutes it has gone. So 3 o'clock 5 minutes it is good. So when it goes above the candle from below the candle and Bollinger Band cuts that one above the candle, then this particular stock is considered to be good. You can go for trading. At what time you will come to the market? You will come to the market at around 9:50. This is a time you will come to the market. Then you require to do all those calculations. So by the time you complete the calculation, it is 10 o'clock 15 minutes. At that time you see here you are near the bottom of the RSI. Here RSI is near the bottom. Whenever the RSI is near the bottom, you are not supposed to short. It has to go to the top line. Then only you will have to create a short. So you don't do anything. Wait for the RSI to go. Now RSI started going, but RSI did not go. Now it has gone up. Now since you are using the 16 minutes, that is a too high time frame, I will reduce this one to 13 minutes. Let me see whether it goes to the top line. It did not go. It has crossed near the middle of that one only. Then I will once again reduce the time frame to the 11 minutes. Now at 11 minutes fairly it has gone towards the top line. If you are not satisfied with this one, I have told you yesterday, you can go to the 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes, whenever it goes to the top line, you can take a shot in that. And that whenever you are doing this one in the 5 minutes, none of this Bollinger Band or PSCR or these things will work properly. Forget it. You are not seeing any of these things. You are just making a RSI to go to the top. That's all your motto. That's why you see this one, whether the RSI goes to the top and green color money flow goes above the RSI. Green color money flow has to go above the RSI before taking the position. So after taking this one here in the 5 minutes means I told you to wait 2 minutes in 11 minutes and 13 minutes and 16 minutes chart for taking the position. But when you are reducing this one to 5 minutes, in that 5 minutes you don't go for the 2 minutes, you go for the last 1 minute. When the 4 minutes you do not do anything, in the last 1 minute whatever the price is going on, there you enter. I have entered here, right madam? This has crossed here. You see that there is a doji is also there. There I have entered here. You please show me single candle above that after this. All the candles are going down. So when this is going down, where is the question of stop loss comes into picture? Here also it has gone, but it did not cross this line. It has taken the resistance at this level. From there again it has fallen. So after entering here 5 minutes, you come back to the original time frame 11 minutes or 13 minutes. Then follow this green. When this green is going from top line to the bottom line, the stock prices decline. So till this fellow reaches the 32 line, hold the position. Now you have entered here at this particular place. You have entered this one at this particular price, then you shift your attention to the green here. As long as the green is going from top line to the bottom and does not reach the 32 line, till then you hold the position. As soon as it reaches the 32 line, you exit. That means you exit somewhere in this region, either here or here. Here you can exit. What is the price? 607. Where did you short? 618. 618 minus 607 means 11 rupees profit. 11 rupees into 1000 means 11,000 rupees you can make it. Here this PSCR I am keeping here. What is the significance of this PSCR is, if the red dots are there above the KST, then that stock is good for shorting. So what you do here, you short here at this RSI KST going above the zero line, or you wait for the RSI to rise above the zero line and you can create a short. Then hold on to this particular green Bollinger Band till it reaches the 32. When it reaches the 32, exit. Understood, madam?
Yes, sir.
NC.
One question.
Yes, please.
On the first initial thing, when the super line crosses, if you go to that part,
Ah.
there are lines there.
Ah.
If you expand that thing, sir,
Expand.
the super bar went up.
One
Put
second.
in line. It went up. It cut the line.
One second. Here, no.
Sometime it cut the line down.
This one you are telling. This point.
Yeah.
This point, let it cut. What is the problem? I am interested only in this cutting. When it goes from bottom line to the top line, the Bollinger Band should cut the line here. Then when it comes down means a bearish stock, it has to come down only, no? There is no other alternative, no?
Oh, okay.
So this has got no relevance. This will happen. In any of the stocks it will happen. Here also it has gone above and it has cut. But after that it has come down. There is no problem in that. We are interested only in the where the changes does takes place. Then previously this blue color and these things. What is that? I will put the line here. These blue and gold were below the candles, right?
Correct.
Now it has gone above the candle at around what time? 3 o'clock 6 minutes.
Yesterday, yeah.
Yesterday. From yesterday 2:30 onwards till today 10:30, if this happens any time between this range to that range, then it is okay. This is yesterday for 2:30. Then today it is at around 10:30 here. So this notching of this super trend can happen in between any time between these two lines. If that happens, Bollinger Band will cut that one above the candle at the place where it is notching, where it is changing its direction. Not that where it is coming down, let it this cut. That doesn't have any problem. It will go like that only. Because it has to go down means the super trend has to go along with the candle. It will go. There is no issue. Okay?
Okay.
Is there any doubt? If you are having any doubt, you please ask me.
So can you see my cursor?
Yeah.
So what he's saying is, as soon as it's going up, this is what we see.
Yeah.
But cutting over here down, it doesn't matter. For
It
us.
doesn't matter. It will happen. Because when the candles are going down, super trend will go along with the candle.
We'll go down. Okay.
So you have to see only this cutting rather than this cutting. This cutting should happen above the candle where the change of the direction has happened. Here the changes of the direction happened which has qualified for the stock and it has cut here. That's why it started going down. Let it cut here. It doesn't have any problem. Only thing is when you select this one, you will be near the bottom of the RSI. Near the bottom of the RSI, you are not supposed to go for short. It has to go above the candle. So you waited up to here. But 13 minutes, it did not go up to the top line. So you changed this one to the 11 minutes. Then that is sufficient. As and when you become practice, this is sufficient for you to create a short. If not, then you see this one KST is closing above the zero line. When the KST is crossing above the zero line, that is also okay for me. I can take the position here. right? After having taken the position here, then you will hold the position as long as this Bollinger green color, this 32 line is, that is going here and touches the 32 line. The moment it touches the 32 line, in this range you are going to exit the short position which you have created here, right? Understood. NCC. Next one I will select. Now here one peculiar thing is there here. It has qualified. Super trend was there below the candle, and it has gone above the candle here, and it has cut above the candle here. Bollinger Band has cut this super trend above this candle. Okay na? Here also you see it has come down and it has cut the Bollinger Band again towards the downside. So this has got no relevance. Only we are having the relevance here. Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
So what is this? In KSD there is some green dots and red dots.
This one PSR, that's what I told. If the red color is there in the X cards, I will show you. If the red colors are there, 1 minute madam. That one. Yeah, add one more, 7,500. 8,000 you bring. Okay. These red dots are there. If at all, if you have selected any stock for the shorting, these red color dots will be found above the KST. If it is found above the KST, then whatever the stock you have selected is good for shorting. If the green color is there here, you see it is above the KST, there is a green color is there. You see the stock did not fall at all day before yesterday. Understand? Whenever any stock which you have selected, because you will see this one here like this at 950. Now you see already the red started in yesterday itself, it has started. Then once it is red is there and also this green is above the top line, then it is 100% sure that whatever the stocks you have selected is going to give you the profit, but the time is not correct. So what you will have to do, you will have to wait for the RSI to go to the top. Now RSI has gone to the top, you have created a short here. Then you see this red is also going and the green is also going. Concentrate on this green color, Bollinger Band. Then let that fellow go down up to the 32. Slowly I will inch it up. Now it is going down. Are you see? Yes. Now it has touched the 32 line. Right now, madam? Yeah. There, here you exit. In this candle you exit. After that, even if it falls by 2-3 candles, doesn't matter, because you have taken the lower limit. Then before exiting, you put 11 minutes to 13 minutes. See whether the 32 line has been reached. Now you see 32 line, it is going. It has touched. It has touched here. You see here previously you came out here in the 13 minutes, it is going down by 2 more candles. So somewhere in this range, in the 13 minutes you exit. Before exiting also you are having the 13 minutes in your hand now. So at that time you can increase or decrease and see whether the whatever the criteria it has to meet, it is meeting in the higher time frame. You can see if it is meeting in the higher time frame, then there is the place where you exit or vacate this particular stock. So you are shorted it around 618 and you are going to close it at 608, 10 rupees profit, 11,000 rupees profit you are going to get. Right, madam?
Yes, sir.
Then NCC. NCC also super trend. Yeah. You asked something?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. So the super trend has gone above the candle here. It has cut here. But what happened was initial candles were too long, were there here. And the green was also here in the initial stage. When the green is there, the stock is not good for shorting. And red has started, but by the time this fellow changed the location. So today market volume was very low. That's why 1 or 2 cases like this it will come. Don't worry. On regular normal days these things will not come. If it is a maximum downgrade, bearish stock, it is available. So go to the iShares Motor. iShares Motor, here the super trend is below. Right? The super trend is below the candles. It has gone above the candle. At what time it has gone? 14:52 or 3 o'clock 6 minutes it has gone. From 2:30 to 10:30 it is okay for me. Then it has cut above the candles. Fine. You come here. Red is above the KST. Yes, red is above the KST. Fine. What you have to do? It is come near the bottom here. So you are not supposed to create a short. You will have to allow this fellow to go to the top line. He did not go. Reduce this time frame to 11 minutes. See whether it goes. Yes, it has gone. So what you can do? You can short him here. It has gone up to the top line, you see. Then you are going to create a short. What time you are going to create a short? You are going to create a short in the last 2 minutes before this particular candle closes. What is the closing time? 10 o'clock 21 minutes. 10 o'clock 21 minutes means 19 to 20, 20 to 21. In that 2 minutes you are going to create a short. And at the same time you see KST also has gone to the above the zero line and it has crossed here. Right, madam? Then the green color, this Bollinger Band has to be seen. This is this green I am talking about. Okay? Not this money flow, this green. If you want, I can change this color to blue. Then you'll have to monitor this blue color. How long you'll have to monitor? Till this fellow reaches the 32 line. Now it has reached the 32 line, but you are there in the 11th minute. Before taking any position, any decision to close the position, you go to the 13th minute. It shifted, right now? Then it has gone and touched near the top last candle. So here you exit somewhere here. At what rate you have created a short? You have created a short at 429. 22,429 you have created a short, and then near this particular place where 22,200 you have gone out. That means 200 rupees profit, 220 rupees profit you got. 220 into 30 rupees, 6,000 rupees you made a profit. Very simple. Absolutely there is no problem. The moment you understand how to analyze the chart, your half of the battle is won, madam. You'll have to become totally used to your chart. The moment if I see here the super trend is below, yes, it has gone above this here, right? At what time it has gone? You make a checklist like this. Everything you make a note after reviewing the video. Super trend has to be there below the candle, right? Accepted. It has gone above the candle after 2:30, right? And at the time it has gone above the Bollinger Band, has cut this one, right? And it has cut above the Bollinger, above the candles, right? Then these red candles are there above the KST, right? This blue Bollinger Band is going from top line to the bottom line, yes. Then you are near the bottom of the RSI, yes. You are not supposed to create a short unless until this fellow goes to the top. So you turn towards your attention to the time frame here. Your 13 minutes are there. One more lower limit is there, 11 minutes you see. 11 minutes it has gone. Still you are not happy. Go to the 5 minutes. It is definitely it has crossed the top line here. You see it has gone above, and the green also has come above that one. You create a short here. So at what place you are going to create a short? Here. Here the doji has come. Yes, it has come a doji. At what time you have to take the position? 5 minutes means you wait for the last 1 minute. That is 10 o'clock 20 minutes it is taking a position. So 10 o'clock 19th position you take the position. 19th minute you take the position. After having taken the position, you come back to the original time frame, 13 minutes. 13 minutes you have come here. 10 o'clock 20 minutes means this is a place where you have taken the position here. Put a line here so that you will see. So you show me any single candle above this line here? No. That is why stop loss is not essential in our trading. All those things has been taken care here. Here stop loss is when you do a mistake in selecting the stocks, then it will change its direction. That is a stop loss. Otherwise, if you are following all the procedures scrupulously, you will not go under loss. So then hold on to this one up to the 32 line. When once it reaches the 32 line, exit. So like that you can go for the Maruti. Same way it has gone above this one after the second candle, that is at 9:40 up to 10 o'clock it is okay. So at that time you are near the bottom of the RSI. Wait for the RSI to reach the top. The money flow green has gone to the top. GST has gone above the zero line. This is red dots are there above the KST, and this also has crossed here. So everything is matching. Create a short. Doji wants to, you want dojis have come either in this doji or in this doji. In the last 2 minutes you enter, then hold on to this one till this fellow reaches the 32 line. Whole market got closed, but this fellow did not reach the 32. So don't carry the position for the next day. As soon as the last candle or the last but one candle comes, exit your position. I think I made this clear, very clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, then we will go back to the Excel sheet again. Now I will teach you one more method. This is one way. Okay, these calculations you. Yes, please.
One question, sir.
Yes, please.
So, after you did this and you did this heat map,
Ah,
you took the dark red one.
okay.
What about the green one, the darker green?
No, PWG you are not supposed to go for green. I have written in your exercise, you see second sentence, in PWG select only bearish stocks. I have written, no, negative stocks, negative percentage price stocks only you will have to select. Like that I asked you to write.
Okay.
Only red, no green. Any green is there, null and void. Not even look into that one. Who is this fellow? You don't know. You don't even remember. Put your eyes on that. You are seeing only from here to here, not even here. Even though it is red, you are not putting here because you see 0.24, 0.27, 0.35, it is more than your less than your brokerage. Brokerage itself will come to 0.75, 0.85. Then if you are trading with the stock which is giving 0.2, 0.3, then where is the profit of yours?
Okay.
That is why select only these. Here, even if the chart is matching, repeatedly I am telling, never ever select them. These are all not the stocks wherein you will have to put your hand. You will have to select only from these. You see, I tried this, it came. I tried this did not give. This gave. DV slab. This also gave. You see, it has gone from below the candle to the above the candle at what time? 3 o'clock 18th minute. From 2:30 onwards it is okay for me. It has cut above the candle, Bollinger Band. Yes. Red candle is, red dots are there above the KST. Yes. This blue color is going from top line to the bottom. Yes. And then you are near the bottom of the candle. Yes. You are not supposed to short it whenever it is near the bottom. Yes. Then you will have to go to the 11-minute candle. Yes, it has gone. Fine. It has gone to the top here. Green has come above the RSI. Yes. It has touched the top line. Yes. Create a short. कुछ भी नहीं है मैडम. This is actually for the first time you are seeing this one. That's why you are seeing this one as like this. When I was in high school, geography means it's a dreadful subject for me. I was not understanding how to read the geography and history. अकबर आया मेरे को रूल किया, हमको क्या मतलब है उससे? So I am interested in science, social studies. दिमाग के अंदर नहीं चढ़ेगा. So I was getting hardly 35-40 marks in that one. It is not like this today for you. But once you start reading in that one, then अकबर क्यों आया, कैसे आया, कितना साल तक रहा, वो सभी हमको समझ में आ जाता है. Like that, today first time you are seeing. That's why I am showing you so many charts here. DV slab up to ONGC I can show you everything. Whichever the stock matches, it performs. It doesn't. You will not go under loss. Only thing is you should understand how to analyze the chart. Now still today I am finding it very difficult. In my telegram channel people will write, sir, this chart I tried, it did not give me. Why? This also I tried, it did not give me. Why not they trade in this? Why are they going to the pale red and pale green? Still I am not able to understand. And what answer I have to give, I don't know. That is why I am telling you 4 times I am telling, never see green stocks in the PWG, never see pale red in this one. See only the last 2, 3, 4, whichever is matching. In this one you see whether the blue is going from top line to the bottom and the red PSR is there above the KST. Then initiate the trade, enjoy the trade till it reaches the 32 and book the whole profit. In all these things you see, not less than 6,000 to 7,000 rupees per shot. You have not got the less than that. Everything you are going to get it. Only thing is you have to practice for 4 to 5 months. Then only come to the market. Now, sir, madam, I have cleared here open close here. This is one way of trading. Now I will teach you other way of the trading. Before current average, I will go for the previous pre-open high. I will change everything here again. Okay. And as usual, percentage price change. Only negative stocks I will select here, and then I will arrange them in this, and then I will go to the yellow color. Right, negative stocks I have selected. Right, madam? Here also I will change all the colors here.
Yeah.
Negative stocks I will have to select here. Negative stocks is there up to here. I will select this one. Second method, you write PWG second method. There also PWG, same PWG. I am giving you variations. Why I am giving variation is, If you use a open close formula, you will get the stocks like this. In that one, right from the beginning, whenever the super trend goes above the candle notches, at that time Bollinger Band cuts that, then RSI has to go up to the top line. Then if it is near the top line, you short it and you go up to the 32 line till the Bollinger Band goes. Fine, fantastic. Now I will give you one more method, because you asked me on that day, sir, what particular I have to go to the job, and at what particular time, if at any particular time the trend in the stock is going to give me the profit, it is better for me, like something like that you asked, right? So that is why we are sharing the other method for you. Write down, madam, POP PHI, second method PWG. Pre-open versus previous high. Andre, yesterday at what rate it opened, yesterday at what high it has gone, that I am going to check it up. Pre-open versus previous high. Formula equals double bracket pre-open, that is this, madam, P-open like that is there now here. That is previous day open. Today's open, high, low, close is today's data. This is yesterday it had opened here. Yesterday it had gone up to high like this, previous high. This is previous low. Yesterday it has made a low of this much, and yesterday it closed it at this particular price. This is previous high, previous open, previous low, previous close. So I am going to establish a relation between previous open and the previous high. So your return equals double bracket previous open minus previous high. Formula same, only integers will differ. One bracket close, divided by previous high, one more bracket close, multiplied by 100. Now I will create this. Now here what I will write, POP PHI. POP means pre-open, PHI means previous high, abbreviation, that's all. Equals double bracket previous open minus previous high, bracket close, divided by previous high, bracket close, multiplied by 100. I got it minus 0.88. I will copy this one for the entire cell. Now I have selected only yellow colored stocks, which are negative, bearish stocks as far as 950 is concerned. So I will select the previous open high from the first list and cover all the yellow color. How you did in the open close, by selecting this and went up to the yellow, na? Same way you go to the previous open high columns, select all the stocks which you have colored it in yellow, and then right click here and then sort it out. Below that you write down, madam, select the stocks which are lowest. Here I am not giving you like 0 to plus or minus 0.15, because today you have got it 0 to plus or minus 1.5. Every day I will get minus 0.2 as a lowest, plus 0.2 it is a lowest, like that. Whatever is there in this range, say for example, if this is the last one, then these two are the lowest when compared to the other one, is it not? Okay, like that. Here I don't give the marks here, because in the open close I have given 0 to plus or minus 0.15 I have given. Here I will not give anything here. What I will tell, select the lowest stocks. You will have to select the lowest stocks. If it is 0, fine. If it is minus 0.2, fine. Minus 0.38 itself is a 0. Minus 67 itself is a 0. Whatever it is there, if that is that is the lowest one when compared to all the other values under previous open high, then that is the stock you will have to consider. Today I will consider up to 4 here, because all are zeros. I will put the yellow blue color. Here in the previous one you got 25 numbers of stocks. In this one you are getting only 3-4 stocks per day. That's all. Very accurate and repetitive. It is, yes, day before yesterday I told you toll gate. Toll gate is a place where it is fixed in a highway, and all the vehicle will come up to the toll gate, pays the toll and then leaves, right? Toll gate will not move. Here also in these charts, chart fashion is same. Today Kotak Bank will come, tomorrow Nestle will come, day after tomorrow Maruti will come, day after tomorrow Eicher Motor will come. But whatever these stocks have done yesterday, previous day, other previous day, next previous day, every day, what fashion it has formed, the same format fashion it will follow. That is why this is called fixed type of trading. एक ही काम करने का, कैशियर बैंक में बैठा है, उसको क्या है, टोकन नंबर पूछने का, टोकन नंबर दिया था, पैसा उतार के उसको दे देने का, बस उतना कुछ नहीं है उसके पास. Then he has to enter that one in the computer. Daily he does the same job only. So like that also, here also you are selecting the stocks in such a way that the stocks will differ day by day, but each stock, whatever the fashion it has done, the same fashion, today's, tomorrow's, day after tomorrow's, every day, the same format, same formation it will happen. That is why this is called fixed pattern trading. Now I have selected the lowest stock under the pre-open pre-high. Then again you will come to this one. Here you will do the same calculation for this yellow also. Sorry. Yes. Then I will sort it out. Here also lowest one is 0.26. You can include the 2.55 also include. So you select the two stocks, Equitas and oil here, and then Kotak, Nestle, Maruti and Eicher. So how much? 4 plus 2. Only these 6 stocks, among them 2 will give. Write down below this one, madam. Under false. Under false.
Okay.
Here this is under false, no? These are all the stocks which have been identified under false. These are all the two stocks which I identified under the true side. So under false, stock selected. Under false, stock selected using pre-open pre-high method. Using pre-open pre-high method, will get short between 12 o'clock to 12:15 daily. Will get short between 12 o'clock to 12:15 daily, bracket on bearish days. If the market is 100 points up on that day, don't try this one. Anyway, you will not come here itself. When the market is 60 points up, you will go to the PWL. You will not come to the PWG. Right now? So you wrote it down? Yeah. Daily the short will come between 12 o'clock to 12:15 on all bearish days. On all bearish days. Under true, here itself. Also, the short will get covered. This short will get covered. This short will get covered between 1:15 to 1:30. Between 1:15 to 1:30 if the market is flat. If the market is flat, that means minus 10 plus 10, like that only. If it is operating full day, then 12 to 12:15 it gets shorted, and by 1:30 to 2 o'clock, 1:15 to 1:30 it gets short covered. That means which are all the stocks coming under the false. Now under true, stock selected under true. Stock selected under true. These stocks get shorted. These stocks get shorted on bearish days. These stocks get shorted on bearish day between 12:15 to 12:30 or 12:45. You can take 12:15 to 12:45, and full day it goes down. It doesn't get short covered. If the market is remaining bearish. If the market is remaining bearish. Next line. Some days. Okay. Write down. I will not tell till you prompt me.
Yes, sir.
Now, some days, if the market recovers during the noon session, if the market recovers in the noon session, square of the stocks under true. Square of the stocks under true. Because as far as my experience goes, this will never get short covered. But what it will do, it will go to the sideways. It will not go up. It will go to the sideways. That is why if the market is bearish continuously like today or any other day, then till the last candle it will go down. But if the market is not bearish on any day, up to 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock it is bearish. After 2 o'clock, if the market recovers, the stocks under PW, under true, you short cover, you close that short, and because it may go towards the sidelines. Whereas your fall stocks, anyway at 130 it is getting short cover, and by end of the trading it will go up to the highest level. So there is no problem. Now let us post this one in our market watch. This I will remove it. This is over. Kotak, Nestle, Maruti. Kotak, Nestle, Maruti. Eicher Motor. Eicher Motor we had already traded in the previous method. Equitas Oil. Equitas and then oil. What you do is on that day, madam, because these are all two different stocks. One are coming under the false group, another is coming under the true group. Take a pen and paper on that day. You write down PWG, POP, PHI, true. Write it. Below that you list out Equitas and oil. False, you write down Nestle, Kotak and Maruti, all these things. You list it down. So you will come to know that one under false segments, whichever is the short is there, that will get shorted between 12 o'clock to 12:15, and it will get short covered by 1:30. But if the stocks are selected under the true, then it will get shorted between 12:15 to 12:30. If the market remains bearish for the whole day, then the stock will go down till the last candle. So write down, differentiate between which are all the stocks under the false and which are all the stocks under the true. Now I will put them in the heat map. Eicher Motor. Eicher Motor is there in the false group. Right? Here you see Eicher Motor is there. It is in the false group. Correct, na? Yeah, Eicher Motor, that means this fellow should not go down. We will get shorted between 12:15. If the market trend is bearish on that day, that also has gone down here. If the market is slightly bullish, then it will get short covered. You see, from here, the 11 minutes is too low here. I will go for directly 16 minutes. Write down once again, short in both these above cases. Short in both these above cases. Short in both these above cases. When MACD W2 E8 W11, that is here the setting I am giving here, the settings. W2 E8 W1 first top crosses. First top crosses. Okay, now you see here, Bollinger Band has to cut, so super trend has to go from bottom of the candle and go to the top of the candle between 2:30 to 10:30. Yes, it has gone. Bollinger Band has cut that one above the candle. Yes, the qualification is done. Red candle, red dots are there above the KST. Done. Bollinger Band blue is going from top line to the bottom line at 10 o'clock. Yes, it is near the top line. Everything here, red has come. Yes. Super trend has qualified. Yes. Where is the RSI? Is near the bottom line. You will have to allow this fellow to go to the top line. So 16 minutes is so low. That's why what I will do, I will go for 11 minutes. 11 minutes it has gone to the top. So you are going to create a short. But now the question here is, you are not using only this, you are using this MACD also. In the previous shorting I did not explain anything regarding the MACD. MACD was only introduced to take care of the stocks to trade under this method, pre-open, pre-high. That is why what I will do, I will directly go to the 16 minutes. I will not wait for this RSI, RSI to come to the top and all. I will just wait for the MACD to first top cross. This is a place where it has top crossed. Up to here green was there above. Can you see the green above the red?
Yeah.
Here you see green is coming below the red. That means the crossing has happened here. I will put the time here. What is the time, madam? 12:10. Right? What you have written? Between 12 to 12:15. Right? Invariably 5 minutes here and there between 12 to 12:20, wherever the MACD stop crossing, create a short, and then it may dagger for some more time, because between 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock there will not be any trade, will not be there, because many of the traders will go for lunch and this is a no man's time, and that's why nobody will be trading. But nothing will happen, it will go completely down only. After that, you see the red is above, this fellow is coming down, and the blue color Bollinger Band is coming down. Hold him till this fellow reaches the 32. You see it has reached the 32. Right, madam?
Yeah.
Next, Maruti. Maruti is also from the falls. If you want, I can show you. Here you see Maruti. Maruti is also from the falls. Let us see. It has to qualify the stocks. Now it has qualified, it has not qualified because the super trend, instead of going near the after the 230, it has qualified near the start of the previous day. That is why I am not going to take this particular stock. It is not qualified in the chart. Oil is in the true side. Kotak I will see. No, this I will not take it, because this fellow has came above the candle after 11:22. My time is 10:30. 2:30 to 10:30. So it has gone after that, again null and void. I am not going to consider. It has given, you see, first stop crossing has happened here. So here 1688 and it has given 1685. 3 रुपये के लिए हमको पूरा दिन में रखना पड़ेगा. 3 रुपये into 400 means 1200 rupees. 1200 rupees में वो brokerage and other taxes and duties and everything will take 350 to 400 rupees. आपको खाली 800 रुपया मिलता है. इसलिए what I am telling is discard this. So you cannot go for here, because pale green and pale red you will not trade here, because nothing movement will be there. And as far as shorting is concerned, green stocks you will not consider at all. Coming back to the oil. Oil is from true side. Oil and Equitas. Equitas is near the pale red, that's why you are not going to take the trade in that. Oil is there in the last third position. There was in the morning I was seeing oil and Eicher were there together. Maruti only has come in the last stage, that's why it has been pushed to the third slot. Otherwise oil was there near the second slot. Now first cross of MACD. Bollinger Band has cut above this near the first candle. Fantastic. Bollinger Band has cut this one. Yes, super trend has gone above this one. Fine. Red dots are not there here, so wait for the red dots to come. Red dots have come, that's why here. Now you are not seeing anything here. 16 minutes. You have to wait and see whether the Bollinger Band cuts. Now you see green is above the red only. It is above red. Now the changes over has taken place. Green has come below the red here. Can you see here? So you are going to create a short in between these two candles. Say you are shorted this one at here only, we'll see 152.90, 153.05. That means 15 paisa ऊपर गया था बस, कोई problem नहीं. Let it go down here. So you are shorted at 153. After that you see 1 rupee 30 paise. What is the charge here? 3,400. One lot is 3,399. 1 rupee 40 paise. 40 paise, let your broker take it. 1 rupee 3,400 rupees you can bag. So these two stocks, one from the True, one from the Eicher, will go up to the bottom here. This fellow did not reach the 32 line at all. So square off at the last candle. I told you in the True side, the stock will close near the last candle. 1 second, madam. Somebody has come. I will open the door. Now this method is understandable to you. Now you understood, na madam?
If you could explain this chart again, sir.
Again.
And if you could use that cursor so I can see where you're showing.
Okay, I will show you that. Now we will go to the third method. Now again I will remove this. Now all false are there in the red color, all trues are there in the white and black color. So what I will do, I will select all the red color stocks in one shot, in one bracket, and then I will sort it out so that all bearish stocks are selected here. So only bearish stocks you select here up to here, and then color them with the yellow color. Here also select only the bearish stocks here, and then color them here. So then select here only bearish stocks, yellow color. So I am having stocks to be identified in this yellow and in this yellow. Okay, now write the
L file, sir.
and madam,
PWG, okay.
no, I did not get you. What?
No, I was just checking which file is it. PWG.
Yeah, PWG. I am not gone to the PWL. PWG only I am telling. Three varieties are there. One is using open close. Open close is maximum negative and the 0 to plus or minus 0.15 in the yellow range, in both true side as well as on the false side. Second is pre-OP P high. False side, whatever you are going to get 2 or 3 stocks, you will get it, note it down separately. This is very essential. False, whenever you are identifying in the second strategy, please write it down on a piece of paper, because let it be there in front of you. That is why always maintain a diary when you are trading. Put a date, and in that one you put, this is a second method from the PWG. False, what all the stocks, you Kotak Bank and all these things, whatever you had got it, that you will have to write down. True, oil and Kotak Bank, something had come, that you will have to write. So that way only you will have to take the trading. Third part is, put the same thing yellow color here, and then go to the current average. Current average formula I write down, madam. Third part, current average 0. Current average 0 to plus or minus 0.15. Current average 0 to plus or minus 0.15. Formula, उसका नीचे लिखिए, equals double bracket current minus average bracket close divided by average bracket close multiplied by 100. Okay, right. Next, put that formula here. Here I have put here, equals double bracket current minus average divided by average multiplied by 100. I got it 0.88. Then I will copy this one here. Everything gets copied here. Right, madam?
Yeah.
Then select from the current average column and then cover all the yellow stocks. Procedure is same. Formulas are different. That's all. Then here I have written you 0 to plus or minus 0.15. 0 to plus or minus 0.15. Only these stocks you select. Then come here and do the same thing for this also. Here also you selected only this blue. So these blues and these blues will have to be selected for trading in today. So again I am telling, from the current average you select all the yellow colored stocks, right click and save it, so that you are getting between 0 to plus or minus 0.15. 0 to plus or minus 0.15 is this, these things are there. So now we will load this one into the market watch. I will close this. I will open this. Apollo Tyre DV Slab ITC. Apollo Tyre DV Slab ITC. ONGC Nestle REC. ONGC Nestle. ONGC Nestle REC M&M. REC M&M. Go to the true side. Oil Grasim Exide. oil, grasim, exide, oil, grasim, exide, gale, torrent power, gale, torrent power. So put them in the heat map. Again you will have to go for maximum red position stocks. Don't go for the green. In PWG you are not going for green, you are going only for the red color stocks. DV slab is the last from the red.
Yeah.
As usual, super trend is below and it has gone above the candle at what time? 3 o'clock 20 minutes. Is it okay? From 2:30 onwards it has to go. It has gone at 3:20. Fine. And then Bollinger Band has cut this one above the candle. Fine. Red color dots are there above the KST. Fine. This Bollinger Band blue color is going from top line to the bottom line, which I put that one on the RSI. Everything is okay? You are seeing, no, this Bollinger Band is going from top line to the bottom line. The red dots of the PSAR is above the KST and this super trend has qualified. This stock is qualified for taking the trade. Again here you don't read any of this MACD, concentrate only in the RSI. So at what time you are coming to the market? At 10:20. RSI is near the bottom, so you are not supposed to go for short. It has to go above the RSI. Go to the 11 minutes directly. Then what you are seeing here is it has gone above this RSI at around 11:10 or 11:11. Here it has gone. Here I put the line here. Right, madam? Here in this candle it has gone. My hand is moving here. I can put the arrow mark here.
Yeah.
Either here or here. Right, madam? Green has come above the pink. Yes. It has touched the top line. Yes. You can create a short. RSI KST has gone above the zero line and crossed. Yes. And then this is a stock in which you are, this is a candle in which you are going to create a short. So you have created a short at around 848.35. Then shift your attention to the Bollinger Band blue here. The Bollinger Band has to go to the bottom line here. He did not go up to the end. By the time market close, he was there very close to the 32, but he did not touch. So what you do? Exit in this level. Don't carry the position for the next day. So what time you shorted here? 1848. What is the time of 1831? 31 means 17 rupees. 17 rupees into 400, 68. Give 800 rupees to the broker and all these things. 6,000 rupees you packet it. That's it. You understood this, madam?
Yes, sir.
ONGC same. It has gone above. It is taken a short here. You can create a short here, but already the two big candles were there. It has reached already the bottom line, and this fellow has reached the bottom line very fast. So leave it. Oil we have already seen. You'll have to wait for the RSI to go to the top and then you'll have to create the short. Apollo Tyre. It did not qualify because Bollinger Band, you see here one has, both the things have gone on the day before yesterday. Out of that one has gone today, but that too it has gone yesterday at 11 o'clock. I am not interested in this one because I want these things to happen after 2:30 yesterday till 10 o'clock today. Since it has happened at around 10 o'clock here and 11 o'clock yesterday, this stock is disqualified. Exide. Again this is the same. 150 it has gone. Evening afternoon 150. I wanted after 2:30. And also you see initial candles are big candles are there. जो प्रॉफिट मुझे पूरा दिन में देने का था वो दिन का 2-3 कैंडल में ही दे दिया, तो इसमें क्या मुझे क्या मिलेगा? So I don't want anything of this one. Even all the charts are matching here, and this fellow has gone above the candle after 130 or 140, which is not qualification criteria. Hence this stock is disqualified. Gale. Gale is also here. At what time it has gone here? 14:55. Fantastic. Both the candles have gone above the candle. Fine. You see here it has gone one by one. It has cut here. Here the initial candles is slightly longer, but doesn't matter as long as this red is coming above the KST. Then this blue is coming above that. So what you do is wait for the RSI to go to the top. It has gone to the top here. Here for 120.90 you are going to create a shot, and then this fellow did not reach that one by the time it started going. All these things, manipulations and maloperations will go because you are going towards the pale red. That is why do not go for the pale red. Again REC, here also the same problem. Charts have qualified. In Gale also chart has been qualified. In REC also chart has been qualified. But the problem was you are selecting the pale red, which you are not supposed to select. You should select only in the last 2-3 only. Not even go here, because when the number of stocks are only 9 are there, the first 3, last 3 only is better. And do not search anything in the green. You understood, madam? Is there any doubt in this shorting?
No, sir.
No. Now let us go for PWL. This is all you have to do. In this one there are 3 categories are there. One is open close. Another is pre-open pre-high. The third one is current low or current average equal.
Okay.
Now let us open PWL. Now first and the foremost thing is, first I will remove the color here because it is already done. Today market was in the negative bias, so you may not get any stock in the positive direction. Still let us work it out. So this calculation also I will do it later, so leave it here. Arrange them in the alphabetical order. Yes. Then total number of stocks 64. This is live data 957. Go to the previous day data. This is close yesterday data. Arrange them in the alphabetical order. Check the total number of stocks. Here also 64. Here also 64. Total quantities of the stocks are matching. Both of them have been arranged in the alphabetical order. I will create 2 empty columns by the side of open interest difference 950 and percentage change. Then I will go here. I will copy the open interest difference of close. Yesterday at what price, at what level the open interest had built up when the market has closed. That I will check it up. That I will copy. Then I will come here and I will paste it here.
Not in Excel file, sir.
You are not seeing the Excel file?
No, it's gone.
That means your partner is not connected to the internet. Your partner team viewer is not running yet. That is why it is not seen. You please check your internet connection, madam. What I did is I copied the previous day open interest data here and then brought to the live market Excel sheet, and that I pasted here. Right, madam?
Yeah.
Again it has gone. You may not be able to see this. Are you seeing?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, you are seeing it. Okay. Then what you do? You write down, madam. PWL OI calculation. Next page you write PWL OI calculation. Below that you write the same formula, equals OI difference close. OI difference close
Yeah.
is it less than the OI difference 950?
It's less than.
OI difference 950.
What is it? 950.
Yeah,
950.
that's what you are taking the Excel. You are sending the Excel sheet again at 9:50 to 10 o'clock now.
Yeah.
So that data, whether the previous day data is less than the today's data,
Yeah.
that I will apply here.
True or false. Yeah.
Bracket OI difference close, is it less than the OI difference 950? False. Then copy here. Then arrange all the false together.
Yeah.
This is as usual. However, you are doing it like that only. Then whatever the calculations you will have to do, it has been done already. Then percentage change price. Select and select all the false stocks. Select all the false stocks from the percentage change. 1. Right click here, sort it out. Then in PWL, write down in PWL, select only positive stocks. In PWL, select only positive stocks.
Okay.
Now, in PWG, you are selecting only bearish stocks now. Here, you will have to select the bullish stocks. Oh, I had to put the red color. Then up to all positive stocks you include up to here. Then you color this one with the yellow color, and then similarly go to the true side and there also do the sorting. Only this one is in the yellow and this one is there in almost zero yellow. Somehow it is not coming down. I'll let go cut and paste it.
Okay, sir.
Only one is there, Adani Enterprises. Now write down the second formula. Second formula, open close. Open close equals, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ formula, write down the formula below, equals double bracket open, open minus close, same formula like that, open minus close, bracket close, divided by close, bracket close, multiplied by 100.
Yeah.
So that's what I am going to write here, equals double bracket open minus close divided by close multiplied by 100. This I will copy it to the all the things. Now select the open close first entry from the yellow side and then cover all the yellow side and then sort it out. Write down below the open close formula, select stocks
Yeah.
which are positive maximum in open close, positive maximum in open close. Here, which is the maximum one, 0.61. 0.61 means up to 0.3 you can go. You will go up to this particular 0.3. You make it yellow. So, and 0 to plus or minus 0.15. 0 to plus or minus 0.15. From here to here you will select 0 to plus or minus 0.15, 0 here, minus 0.15, plus 0.14. You will select all this blue. Here only one is there, that only you select it, Adani Enterprises. Okay, we will post this one in the Market Watch.
So why did you select that line from 47 to 55, sir?
I asked you to select the maximum positive open close.
Okay.
In this one, 0.61 is a maximum positive here. Half of it is 0.3. You will have to select the stocks between what is the maximum one is there. From there onwards, up to the 50% of it you select.
Oh, 50% of it.
50% of that one you select.
Okay.
That's why I selected up to 0.33,
Okay.
because 0.6 half is 0.30.
Yeah. And then from
0 to plus or minus 0.15. 0 to plus or minus 0.15. Here only one stock was there, that's why the one stock only I selected as it is without any scanning in true side. Here I'll have to go for the 30. I'll have to go for PWL. I have to go. Arvinda Pharma, Bajaj Finance, Bank Baroda. Arvinda Pharma, Bajaj Finance, Bank Baroda. Bosch, Canara Bank, Concur. Bosch, Canara Bank, Concur. Cummins Federal, ICICI. Cummins Federal, ICICI Bank. ICICI Pruli, Indigo, IOC. ICICI Pruli, Indigo, IOC. L&T Finance, Nifty, PEL. L&T Finance, Nifty, PEL. Pidilite, PNB, Reliance. Pidilite, PNB, Reliance. Siemens, Tatachem, TCS. Siemens, Tatachem, TCS. Tech Mahindra, Ultratech, Wipro. Tech Mahindra, Ultratech, Wipro. Then bottom, Adani, sorry, ACC, CSC, Hindustan Petro. ACC, Adani Enterprises, CSC. ACC, CSC, Adani Enterprises illa. CSC, Hindustan Petro, Infratel. Infratel, Hindustan Petro. Infi, Lupin, Petronet. Infi, Lupin, Petronet. Lupin, Petronet. Titan, Zeal. Titan, Zeal. The last one here is Adani Enterprises under True. Adani Enterprises. So what I will do, I will copy this, then I will paste it in a separate market watch. So I will save this one as 1st January buy list. Okay, put them in the heat map. Today market was not having any mood to go for buying. That's why we'll select, is there any stock which is pertaining to my requirement, that we'll see. You are not selecting any negative stocks because gone, because this is a PWL, you are buying only bullish stocks. Then you are not selecting any of the bearish pale green stocks. You are selecting between the first 4 to 5 numbers only you are selecting, and that you are checking that one with respect to the chart. If the chart is okay, then only you are going to make it. PL. The same thing I will convert this one to the buy chart. Right, madam. First I will go for PEL. PEL, in the morning it was there above and it has gone below the candle at the first candle. This is what in the buying side is required. But this fellow is occupying the first slot because at the end of the day he has gone up. But in the whole day he was there in the red color stocks, because yesterday it is closing price is this. At 10:30 if you are coming here, at 10:30 if you are coming here, more or less same price is there. This is the 10th price, 1521, right? Here the rate is going to come, correct? And this is a closing price 1521, so both are same. So that's why the stock is not getting qualified, it is going down. Now go to the Pidilite. Pidilite did not went below the candle after 11 o'clock, which is not qualified, so hence it is not to be considered. Even though he has given it, we are not going to consider here. Infi had given at around 10 o'clock 10 minutes, fine, this is good. So at the time where I am there, I am near the top line. What is the time frame? 11 minutes. So many frills are coming in the RSI, that's why the time frame is less. You increase the time frame to 13, still the same thing exists, increase the time frame to 16. Now this fellow has closed this one at a 10:50, even though it is much. In the 11 minutes and 13 minutes he had already qualified, that's why I am taking this. But the problem here is the Bollinger Band has reached near the 62 line here. So if this fellow would have been like this bottom color, then I would have bought this one. But this fellow is already there near the 62 line. The Bollinger red color one is near the 62 line. 62 line is called the border line. After that, when it pierces the 62 line, we will have to exit. So we are how do we know that when the last candle will go up to the such a long candle? That's why we will not consider this stock, because he is very close to the 62 line, so disqualify. CSC, no stock. 11:50 first candle has come, no, it is not selected. Infratel, it has come down here, but the initial candle itself is too long, is there. Any long initial candles or the gap up or gap down, such stocks, even though it is matching the requirement, it will be disqualified. We cannot consider this particular stock. Then that's all. Next, pale green started coming, so we are not going to check this one. So as I said today, there was no green stocks to be buyable under the PWL calculation, because the market was in the negative bias. So we could able to find many number of stocks under PWG to go for short, but under PWL not even a single stock got qualified through which I can go for going long. So any day such type of things, if it is very rare, it has happened today. So any time if it happens, say even I can consider 1 day in 3 months or 2 days in 2-3 months, if it happens, and that day don't force yourself into the trade, discard the trading from PWL, concentrate only on the PWG. Is it okay, madam? Then we'll go for the current average. So again, hello, yeah, so current average you'll have to go. Current average, you write down the second formula, madam, equals double bracket open, current minus average bracket close divided by average bracket close multiplied by 100. So that I will put here equals double bracket current minus average divided by average multiplied by 100. So the same thing I will copy it here. So positive stocks only I will have to select under the PWL. First let me yellow color that. So 1.37 up to here it is made yellow. Here also only one fellow is there, that is the same Adani Enterprises. That fellow remains as it is, no issue. Now current average I have copied everything. Select the first cell from the yellow colored stocks, then right click here and then select here. Under current average formula, write down select only 0 to plus or minus 0.15. Under this you select only stocks below 0 to plus or minus 0.15. Yeah, then you will select here 0.14 and then you will go up to 0.15. So you will color this one with the blue color. The same stocks are getting selected here, and here Adani Enterprises. You will load this one into the computer. ACC, Asian Paint, Bajaj Finance. ACC Asian Paint, ACC Asian Paint, Bajaj Finance Bharat Forge, Bajaj Finance Bharat Forge, BPCL CSC Concur, BPCL CSC Concur, Cummins Federal HDFC Bank, Cummins Federal HDFC Bank, Hindustan Petro ICICI Bank, Hindustan Petro ICICI Bank, ICICI Pruli, Indigo Infratel Infi, Indigo Infratel Infi, IOC L&T Finance M&M Finance, IOC L&T Finance M&M Finance, Nifty Pidilite PNB, Nifty Pidilite PNB, Reliance Siemens Titan, Reliance Siemens Titan, Ultratech Wipro Zeal, Ultratech Wipro Zeal. So what I will do, I will put them in the heat map. M&M Finance, first dark red, you see this fellow, had he given this, will go for the Heikinashi, even then this fellow is giving the breakout at 1240, whereas we are supposed to consider between 2:30 to 10:30 today only. But even then, an exceptional way, he has given one day here at 12:30. But we will stick to our rules. We will not select this particular stock for trading. Pidilite. Yesterday he has gone below the candle at the yesterday starting point. So this is null and void. I will not consider. Oh, again here also. Sorry, here he has come here at 11:48. Again disqualified. This should have happened before 10:30 from yesterday 2:30. Infi, no. CSC yesterday 12:10, no. Infratel, he has not qualified at all. PNB, no. Federal, no. Super trend has gone above. Wipro, no. So don't go to the pale green and the pale red. Red is not at all to be seen, and Concur simply for the time checking that one you do this one. And this fellow has come below this one at 145, again disqualified. HDFC Bank, no. Hindustan Petro, no. Nifty, he did not come below. Supertrend did not come below at all. And Bharat Forge, nothing, he did not come at all. So today under PWL there was not even a single stock in which our strategy would have made to fit. Just because the stocks are not there, and don't force yourself into the trade into the any one stock, you will get into the loss. If your stocks which are selected under the mathematical calculations are not matching, then leave that day, don't trade, concentrate on PWG, not one stock, there are 3 to 5 stocks were available, trade in the shorts and make the money. Don't force yourself to trade in the buy side. Many of my students are forcing themselves to trade in the buy side. Please do not do that one. This and all comes by experience. That's why I am telling, first 3 to 5 months you will have to practice. You will have to see all these types of days. When the whole calculation, whatever you have done, everything is not matching with your chart does not qualify even a single stock properly as per your rules and stipulations, then on that day, instead of trying to trade forcibly in that one, better discard all the stocks, go and check that one in the other side. Even there also, if it is not matching, that is rare, nothing so far I have not seen like that. But even then, if PWG and PWL both of them are not matching, switch off the computer. On that day it is a casual leave, no trade on that day. Next day only, next day morning you come. So with this we are completing our training, madam.